Hello everybody, I'm Salvatore Maggiore, Chair of the Congress Committee of ESICM. I'm really the pleasure to be here with Flavio Nacul from the Brazilian Society of Intensive Care Medicine. Flavio, what's your role in the Brazilian Society?
Hello Salvatore, the pleasure is mine. At AMIB, the Brazilian Society of Critical Care Medicine, I am the scientific director. I'm very happy to announce our Congress that will be held in São Paulo the following April. The name is Euro-Brazil Congress.
So we are talking about this new event, a joint event from ESICM and AMIB, Euro-Brazil, São Paulo, 24-26 April 2025. Don't miss it because this will be really an outstanding event. We have developed and we are working together with Flavio to really build an amazing program in order really to attract people from all over the world, of course, first of all from Latin America. And Flavio, we have discussed a little bit about the program. Can you anticipate a little bit to how the Congress will be developed across these 3 days?
It's going to be a big event with an excellent program, excellent speakers, and the program will be based on hemodynamics, mechanical ventilation, and neuro-intensive care medicine.
This will be the scientific part, but we have also a full day of pre-Congress schools that will be run on acute respiratory failure and mechanical ventilation, hemodynamics and ECMO, and also acute kidney injury. So please attend. Brazil is wonderful. This Congress will be really an amazing event. Join us in the next April 2025.
You can't miss this Congress, and you all will be very welcome.